Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you on how to sell Bitcoin on Coinbase Wallet. So first thing you're going to need to do is log into your Coinbase Wallet. So you just have to make sure that you have a Coinbase Exchange account, and if not, you have to create one at coinbase.com. Now after you do that, or after you have an account, initiate the transfer from wallet. So just open your Bitcoin wallet in Coinbase Wallet, and then click on send and choose the amount that you want to sell. Select the transfer to Coinbase account as the recipient, and then review the transaction details including fees and addresses before you confirm the transaction. Then once you're done on confirming the transaction, just open the Coinbase app or website and sign into your Coinbase account. Now go to trade section and then select to sell and choose the Bitcoin or the BTC. And after you do that, just complete the sale, enter the amount to sell, confirm, and the fiat currency, like for example, USD. And it will be added to your balance. And that's basically it. That's how you sell Bitcoin on Coinbase Wallet. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you with the next one. Bye!